Hello guys, a new custom firmware has been made for the Gamestick 4K Lite M8-8001100 V8 made by Retroarch. It's the GstickOS. Let's download it and try it out. Click the download button. I already have the file here. You can read for more information and donate to the developer. It's based on Retroarch, so you can add ROM via USB flash drive. It have Wi-Fi and you can plug in a keyboard. Of course, you will need something like this to plug in your joystick, the Wi-Fi and the flash drive. You can plug in a hard drive for extended storage. And this is the end result. Now let's check our memory card. It doesn't matter how much the size because the file size is only 1 GB. Plug it to your computer via SD card reader. The SD card reader better be 3.0 for fast speed. I will put the link in the description of the video. Don't format your SD card after plug it in. Just use the USB image tool flasher. Make first a backup for your current SD card. Click restore. Go to the image of the firmware and click yes. Wait for the file to be moved to your SD card. It will not take too much. Now unplug your SD card reader and put USB flash drive or external HDD hard drive if you want to put a big amount of games. Okay, I already did put some NES game. Now let's go to the TV. It will take some time to load up, and here it is, our Gamestick with a flash drive and the joystick. We can add the Wi-Fi. Let's check for our game first. We go to the mount, storage, disk, SDA1, and here it is, our flash drive. When you click, it will ask you to choose the emulator that you will want to use. And it's working. To quit the game, you will need to click the L1 and R1 together. And go to close. The available cores are below. You can update online. I tried to add PSP core, but it didn't work. As the device itself may not be able to run PSP games because it's too weak, you can install .so cores from file or via the network. You'll find your flash drive here. Okay, let's go back to the information, system information. This is my device information. Network, I'm not sure how to connect, but apparently you can update the core list via the network or local flash drive. Let's check what's else in here. Go back. You can modify the video and audio settings, also the joystick input, frame rate for custom, screen size and refresh rate for smooth gaming. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and put in the comment if you want to ask any question.